Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm out in my garden. I'm going to be planting for you now some shallots. I've already done my onions in the last video, so this is my shallots. These are, I think these are from last year. They've been sitting in this bag. Yeah, these are from last year. These are red suns, and I've also got a tray here of my shallots, what we didn't use yet from last year, because I like using the stalks mostly. These got left behind, so I'm going to be putting some of these in there as well. So into that I'm going to put some bloodfish and bone. Don't worry about these white things there, that's some pistachio shells. When we eat the pistachios I keep the shells and I just chuck them in the garden, but I just chuck them in there. So this is bloodfish and bone. Just gonna sprinkle some on. Got my Epsom salt. I have to order some more of this. So this is just going to be mixed in. And I've got some good old chicken manure pellets. I'm going to mix this in. Don't have to mix it in too much because it's all, the onions are going to be resting on the top. So you just want to mix it in like that. So I think some of these might be onions as well, so I'm just going to put those in. Just looking for the ones what sprout mainly, because I want to get those ones in first, the red one. So I'm going to just do that and then I'll be back with you in a minute. So I've got my shallots in, just done it the same way I've done my onions. I'm not putting them in rows, I just put them in randomly. So that's my shallots gone in, so I'm just going to top this off now. Just a light topping, don't need too much of a heavy topping on them. That's my shallots and my onions. If you haven't done your potatoes yet, it's not too late. I went to my allotment to see about potatoes and she said to me that they're sold out in the first week. I think they're having a competition to see who can grow the biggest potatoes. I've not entered. I don't really, not really bothered too much because I'm just new, so they've got all their stuff what they're using. I don't like using any stuff what I don't know about. So you know, a lot of them they use artificial fertilizers and chemicals and all that sort of stuff to get their stuff growing. Like my main go-to is my Epsom salt, my bloodfish and bone and my chicken manure pellets. That's my main things what I use. I know people use lime and all sorts of stuff in their garden. I don't use all that stuff, so I just use what's available to me. So that's my shallots gone in. I hope you all enjoyed that one. A lot of different shallots what you can get. From most shops should have them in now, but a lot of people have got theirs in now, so you just have to see what you can find in the shops. Just keep watching the channel, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave a comments in the comment section. I'm just going to have a quick clean up now, and I'll see you all on the next one, which would hopefully be me doing setting my sweet potatoes. I'm going to do that out here so you can see before to get my slips. If any of you are watching and you don't want to go through the process, keep watching my videos, because if I have a surplus of slips I usually sell them off or do them so that everyone can have a try. If you're going to try your sweet potatoes, you're going to need a very deep container, so bear that in mind. I know some people, if you've got a greenhouse, some of them plant it straight into the ground, but I like to plant mine in containers. I think what I did last year, if you watch my videos, I took mine out a bit too early because the weather was changing, and then I'll do, but this year hopefully we'll do things a lot better for you to see. So like, share and subscribe, as I said, and tell a friend, and let us grow this channel all together. So you take care, and I'll see you all on the next one.